So when you first walk into the condo, this is what you see. On the left side, we have our entryway table, lots of countertop space so that you can put things down when you walk in. We've got a little key bowl and some fresh eucalyptus, so you get that nice fragrance when you walk into the condo. And this piece of art is from a local Vancouver artist, Wendy Gia. On the right side, we have our shoe and coat closet. This is also where we keep our reusable grocery bags. There's nothing special about this. The rack and shelves are from Home Depot. And then as you walk a little bit farther down, you reach the bathroom. So this was a really big project. We gutted the entire old bathroom and redid everything. The circle mirror is an item from my previous bedroom. And to make the bathroom feel more spacious, we chose the bright white for the walls and then a very light colored tile, as well as a white countertop. So this is quartz, and we had a remnant piece fabricated to make this so that it was a little bit more affordable. As you can see here, I am dimming the light just to show you the structure of it. It's very bright, so it makes the bathroom feel larger. In the hallway, we just have one wedding photo at the moment, and then when you walk down the hall, you reach the master bedroom. So this mirror is the one from my previous bedroom, if you watched previous vlogs of mine. And this little reading corner is also from my old bedroom. So it's just a nice little niche to have. Our nightstands are from Mobilia Canada. The bed is from Rove Concepts, and we absolutely love it. It's very low profile, but very timeless in design. And all of our bedding is from Parachute Home. So we chose the linen set. It's super soft and honestly gets softer as you use it. And I really love the organic element that these nightstands bring into the room. As you go down the hallway, you reach my office, which is our second room in the condo. It is currently just my office, but eventually it will become a nursery if we do have kids. So again, this is the Besta cabinet from my previous bedroom, and it's just very plain and simple at the moment. Obviously, there are final touches that I want to do, but I'm just kind of trying to live in the space to see what will go best. This desk in particular has a built-in bookshelf, and I wanted to add some color, so the books here were perfect. And then the chair is from Rove Concept. It's the Mia dining chair and in the boucle fabric, which I also think is very classic and timeless. The fixture up here is also super unique. And then once you go through the curtains at the back of the room, you find this little nook. It's actually quite spacious, and eventually it's going to be used as part of the nursery. In the lounge, we have these floating bookshelves from IKEA. Currently, we just have some books and figurines to add some personality. And then over to the right is the dining room. So I worked with Mobilia Canada to design this space. It's the Azia chairs and the Emery dining table. It's got that really beautiful Japandi style paneling on the legs, and it's very sturdy. And the best part is that it extends to hold up to 10 people, which is great since we have large families. The tree in the back is a Hawaiian Schefflera. And in the actual lounge, we have a cloud couch dupe. It's extremely comfortable, a simple TV media unit from IKEA, and then we have a coffee table in this dark brown wood tone. And this is the view from our balcony. It's very private and we love it. We get the morning sunrise. And the last room is my favorite, and it is our kitchen. So this was another really big project. We wanted it to feel very open, so we chose white and a very light gray countertop. One of my favorite features here is our faucet from Ryobel. It's got that hidden pull down and a sprayer. Our appliances are Miele, so here we have our warming drawer and microwave. They're very, very good quality appliances. And when I designed the kitchen, I added in an open shelf concept just to put some cookbooks, decorations, and all of that. Can't forget the Smeg. We love our kettle. We also love the perfect pot from Our Place. So we have a built-in cooktop here, a spice drawer, and then this is the oven. Last but not least, our snack drawer. I had to show this to you guys because we are always here on the weekends. And that concludes the condo tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up.